welcome back to my channel. Jumping right in, the company I will be working with is Hairvivi. They sent me some True-scalp tape, and here I'm just showing you the tape. I did not use it because the tape was too dark for my skin complexion, but it did come in handy. They also sent me a silk bag, and then of course this is the unit. This is their 13x6 HD lace wig. It is their ginger straight highlighted wig or spicy red highlight wig, and it is in, I believe, 18 inches or 20 18 or 20 inches. I'll have it listed below. I'm going to go right in and use my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. I will be doing 2 thin layers using my Songbird blow dryer in between until the adhesive turns clear. Once that's done, we're gently going to place the lace down like so. Make sure everything's nice and secure, and then cut that excess lace off with an eyebrow razor and then get into styling. I am only going to show you guys doing the first layer, but I do 3 layers total, and I use the Songbird blow dryer in between until everything turns clear like so. Once that's done, I'm gently placing the lace down, and I'm just going to place everything where I want it to go before I give it a nice firm little press. And I'm also going to take my rat tail comb and gently comb the lace into the adhesive, if that makes any sense. You just want to gently press everything in, make sure it's all tight and secure. Once that's done, I am going to cut off my excess lace with the eyebrow razor. I start from one side, work my way to the middle, and then cut off the other excess side like so until we get the perimeter of the lace cut off. Once that's done, I am going to go in, oh y'all, I forgot to tell you. Okay, so I cut a bang on here and layered it, and I lost all my footage because my camera overheated and it didn't save before it cut off. So I've come back to y'all with the bangs already cut, and as you guys can see, I've bumped them a little bit. Now I'm just playing with them, cutting them, getting them to my liking, and I'm using just some regular shears and a rat tail comb to achieve this. Once I got the bangs to my liking, I'm going to go in for the side part. I wasn't really feeling the, regular bang with the middle part. It just wasn't giving. So I am going to just take my rat tail comb and just pull out a part to the side. I'm going to use my wax stick to lay that down, and my hot comb that I got from Target. This is the Conair hot comb, and I have it set on 425 degrees. Now I'm just going to pop that part in and make it nice and flat. Make sure you are doing this. This is going to make or break your install. The hot comb is your best friend. You don't want to miss that, okay? So I'm taking my time trying to get it as flat as possible, or as flat enough to my liking. And now I am going in and just cleaning up the hairline. Make sure I'm pulling all the excess hairs or stray hairs that I don't need back. And I'm just cleaning up my little sideburns and bang area. Once I get through with that, I am going to take my 2-inch barrel wand curler or barrel curler, and I'm just going to do some light, messy looking wave or curls. It was nothing crazy at all. Since I already had layers cut in the hair, everything flowed nicely and I didn't have to do too much. So yeah, I'm just going to curl in wild directions. Like I said, this is nothing crazy. I didn't want it to look nice and neat. And I'm just taking big random sections. It really doesn't matter. Once I did that, as you guys can see, I just followed and repeat until I covered majority of the wig or the hair and got it curled. Once that's done, I am going to comb all of this out with a wide tooth comb, and then that will wrap up this finished look.
I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on, because I realize I gotta hate myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself. myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never be by myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spent with you. Yeah, you heard me, but I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe.
Alright, so this is the finished look. Get into it. Definitely love this hair. I had it on for about 2 days and the curls lasted me forever. And when I tell you that this lace was just definitely giving all day, like my hair, I ate this up. I enjoyed this wig, definitely 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Again, this is their reddish brown highlight wig in the color Texture Straight. If you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.